Okay, so we got this triple pickup Epiphone. You know, I've always looked at chords as being the litmus test for intonation across the entire span of the neck. What I'll do a lot of the time is I'll loop or layer stuff. So the first thing I layered is this. And then I went down here and I did another series of harmonic mechanisms at the lower end. And then I'm doing a little thing, can't even remember exactly what it was, but it's 6. Basically what it is I'm orchestrating on the guitar. So there's actually 4 layers on this. It's all in E minor or G major, whatever spin you want to put on it. So here's all 4 pieces. Just getting back to this one guitar without any loops or pre-recorded stuff. Here's all your garden variety chords, first position, G, D, A minor, E major. So if you play those basic triads across the neck, you've got D, and then G, and then A, so the idea behind the layering was to actually have different harmonic mechanisms on different strings at different points of the neck, all played together simultaneously so that you can hear that the guitar is regulated. Cheers.